veterans taking part in our expeditions have lived with adventure in their time in the military, and much of what they experienced changed them significantly. And it's this sense of adventure that moulded the way they think and act. On leaving the military, for most, that adventure ends. As veterans, many of us dream of adventure, and for most of us, we have to look back to find those memories, as new adventure seems hard to obtain. This is where our expeditions play an important role. The unobtainable becomes something you can see, touch, and feel. It's important that to move forward, we have to remember where we've been in order to find out where we're going. Concentrating on what we have and not what we don't have. Knowing we are not bound by any perceived limitations, and rediscovering our own abilities. Allowing ourselves to once more feel alive. The experiences we encounter on expedition are a stark contrast to our daily lives. And it's creating these new positive memories that enable veterans to grow within the setting of an expedition. And it's this growth that gives us a sense of rediscovering self, to remember who we are and our place in the world, and how we can change how we think. It's important we remember the past, but not allow it to hold us there. To find new ways to move forward by creating new positive memories, like being on an expedition with like-minded people, finding a place within the group, just like we once did in the military. Realising we belong to something bigger than self, where we can contribute and at the same time learn, helping ourselves by helping others.